To be NDC full soldier is the worst case. Worst enemy will place on you.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mra sisi.
Abusia. Join us for make post be on my Facebook page. Now, oko comment section hono ma chale. To be NDC full soldier is the worst case. Worst enemy will place on you. Oko comment section wa. I want how be who say NDC full soldiers no. O ma bon hey. Just say nyansa pa de abom. Hey, e bon penny. She post na. Join us for make it no. Almost say government ends fuel price cushioning policy. Scraps 1 Ghana cedis 0.7 pesos per liter relief on diesel effective June 16th. As I join news, I can say NDC abino. No almost saw a Ghana for us. Into Omama Ghana for subsidy 1 Ghana cedis 0.7 pesos on each liter of diesel. Na drivers eto. But sa policy no more ending on 16th June. Ayo chana. In the 16th June, ayo chana no oba betua 1 Ghana cedis more for diesel. That is near post to no air count. But NDC full soldiers no. One tiasi, bro. Follow. One tiasi. I almost say NDC buy scrap a part of fuel prices no. NDC buy you 1 Ghana cedis a free diesel. So now comment say she order. Oh best. Me mama shall comment to DB. Obi say, so what is Baumia coming to do again in this country? Sakwa kwasiawe. O freeze Mahama aya de papa bi. Full subsidy omo de buy omu ye free one. Is Mahama ya into say Baumia ba be dem. Na comment ba kokra de obesere o say nyansa ebu man. Nyansa full subsidy na ye free one. O say nyansa ebu my back was very commendable. The other person also say good work. See we just our boss say she was say after the transport operators have increased their prices, now they will never reverse the price hike. And they say Mahama 1 Ghana cedis free fuel prices so into I say transport operators no more increasing prices than that. Now policy way na Mahama there but na their transport operators never say transport first. A bomb penny back also say paying straight to camp MPP. Who is subsidy everywhere then any paying every MPP. Back Anthony to say Ghana is free now. Second independence, just say NDC for way there. You see, Obi can say you say NDC for no mostly. At the end, I am defending. No one tells you. On social media, no one be defending Bibia. At the end, I someone tells you, but once I saw one be defending there, on mobile class, I said, no mood the Charlie, Obi Keso, that's all Cassem. NDC near Panicho that form the book because that is the worst case. any human being can be subjected to like oh no.
What's it medaya to her? Quack kati another sword. Ebe shasi de one. Yay! One America, our park so. I'll say, wadi canyon or no di can or the first. But first no, or say, mempe first no. But me jam first no medino, na my baby di last. Na my baby shas ya fofro. What be that? What it look like? Tuna ye to aba editia. Honorable Kennedy Japan no. I say ya kakra wonimu. And into no de kasa no. Because say ya any Honorable Kennedy Japan mu a. Like the fact and the truth I say Honorable Kennedy Japan. E catch the NDC government and then say Ghana for nye jide wo mu. It make sure say what commissions our hospital ne dia masante for and the Ghana for. At that moment I will back to now my MPP. Ebeba be demonstration the same. Agyeta when this government will fail it. Because adwuma go de da sesa we ye. Enti Honorable Kennedy Japan beka say NDC MPP for wa buy mu 8 years. One commission into obi aba 1.5 years a yenja womu. And na Ghana jina so to about this MPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Asante region. For Asante people. Any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only a hospital, no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's the 1.5 on GP? On DD. Maybe so on GP. On DD. On DD. Sikaben or Tammy, yes, or the Quack started 24 hours economy marketing. Sikaben or Tammy. Says you can yen to me, ye, and fan finishes our hospital, Nana. It's a mistake at MPP, yeah, you know. That Miss Whole Patch, I say. And this is the same thing, and yes, I. Kofone Shasi. Ocha and NDC for Betwaso, one way, and NDC for so free so, and MPP are Betwaso, almost one way, and I went this waba finishing. Finishing.
Mujene da ono. Si mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Canadian saying, and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, me on the funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, any Ghana for debut. Na friend at tables na ten after them mokeke mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na nko no ho. Asofo no monko ma ntu with the greatest of respect. Omonko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Market women omonko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Obi ankara no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no about no the credit scoring system, but I must open conking. Nancy Bibi Nina said, ye be a kitting, ye invest kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitting. You see anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma say all members come to Mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fa say enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. E na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma boom boom. Mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say dear ko ye kwade menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about Council of State member Bota region. Now me say films hey Remona Chapa ya happiness say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam one. Which is never true.
Onya
Juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, the boy.
Or since I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and quack baby aquadan and then number one. Yes. Not just say what's in Ukraine say state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or Council of State member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good to me good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply good no over 75%. Omukos wa na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wa court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defediana afi the also by us say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say you office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recording is a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my Agyeta.